Coconut is sweet, reviving and returns us to warm tropical climate. Fortunately, it can likewise help with dropping a couple of additional pounds to fit into your mid-year bathing suit. Coconut contains common exacerbates that help accelerates digestion and assimilation. At the point when your pondering approaches to impact your gut fat quick, go for these go-to coconut weight reduction smoothie plans. Your tummy will thank you for it half a month from now. Coconut and mango smoothie. Mangoes and coconuts make the ideal marriage with regards to weight reduction fixings. Mangoes are plentiful in nutrients and in C and folate, which assists with causing the stomach to feel more full for more. Coconut is additionally a characteristic calming that diminishes swelling. Mix together 1 cup every 1 of water, cubed mangoes, new cubed coconut and oats. At that point include 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. Drink up and watch the fat consume. Coconut and ginger smoothie. Ginger is additionally a decent matching with coconut since it help the development of food and fat through your stomach. Since the smoothie is plentiful in nutrient C, it likewise fills your body with solid fat. Blend and mix 1 banana, 1/2 coconut drops, juice from 1 lime, 1 date, 1/2 inch of ginger and 1 cup of coconut juice. Melon and coconut smoothie. This smoothie formula is as new and wonderful as the dawn. All you need is 1 cup of cold low-fat coconut milk, 3/4 cup of melon or melon, 2 solidified bananas, and 1 teaspoon vanilla concentrate. Mix and appreciate it. Spinach and coconut milk smoothie. Coconut is stunning for your well-being as is spinach. The verdant green contains a huge amount of cancer prevention agents, potassium, and iron. The thinning formula contains 1 cup of new spinach, 1 cup of solidified enthusiasm organic product mash, 1 teaspoon of new mint, 1/2 cup of light coconut milk, 1/2 teaspoon of ground new ginger, and 1/2 cup of water. This is one of my top choices. Radish and coconut water smoothie. Radishes help to shoot fat gathering in your body and coconut assists with accelerating your digestion. The two are an ideal pair. In a blender, blend 4 slashed radishes, 1 cup of coconut water, 1/2 cup of coconut milk, 1 banana, 1/2 cup of raspberries, 1/2 teaspoon of 100% normal nectar with a pinch of salt and ice 3D squares. You will love attempting this one. Kale, coconut, and banana smoothie. Kale is a forced green that is basic to help with weight reduction. This formula is very simple and heavenly. You'll be flabbergasted at what an incredible flavor mix coconut and kale make. Mix together 1 cup of kale, 1 cup of coconut milk, 1 banana and 1/2 cup of destroyed coconut. Dropping the pounds will be simple with this formula. Coconut breakfast smoothie. Getting your fiber and protein prior in the day is perfect when attempting to get in shape. Since coconut assists with assimilation and kicks up digestion, it's incredible to get your fix toward the beginning of the day. Mix 1/4 cup unsweetened coconut chips, 1 cup of unsweetened coconut milk, 1 cup of ice, and 2 scoops of vanilla protein powder. Coconut and berry smoothie. Coconut oil contains solid immersed fat that assists with weight reduction. This formula likewise consolidates berries that are wealthy in cancer prevention agents. Consolidate 1 teaspoon of crude coconut oil with 1 cup of strawberries, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, and a scramble of vanilla concentrate. Coconut, pineapple, banana and spinach smoothie. This weight reduction smoothie has a dash of everything from tropical to green. Pineapple help the coconut fixing and boosting your digestion, and the rest of the fixings are likewise plentiful in nutrients. Mix 1 cup of coconut water with 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, 1/2 cup of pineapple, 1 banana and a bunch of spinach. Coconut and almond smoothie. This smoothie will assist impact with bellying fat, yet additionally, leave your hair and skin feeling stunning. Mix together 1 cup of unsweetened vanilla almond milk, 1 teaspoon of crude almond spread, coconut oil and chia seeds. Include a scramble of cinnamon for taste. Coconut, blueberry and kale. The entirety of the fixings in this formula battle to impact tummy fat. Who doesn't need that? In a blender, consolidate 1 cup of non-fat Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1/2 cup of pineapple, 1/3 cup of blueberries. 5 or 6 mint leaves, 1 cup of new kale and 1 cup of ice blocks.